It wasn't so much the 0.25% rate hike that was surprising, that was entirely expected. It was the statement by Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell at his press conference later that the disinflationary process has started, although he hedged his rhetorical bets by adding that the job is not done and it would be premature to declare victory over inflation. Anyway, the US dollar dropped sharply and the futures market is now pricing in rate cuts in America starting in July, which resulted in the Australian dollar popping up to 71.5 US cents, about a cent higher than last night's close. Here's a long-term chart of the Federal Reserve's benchmark interest rate with recessions marked in. And yep, there is almost always a recession after a series of rate hikes. And this is the steepest rise in US rates in history. But the IMF is not forecasting a US recession. Its latest World Outlook update came out last night with US growth for this year penciled in at 1.4%, up from 1%. The forecast for world growth has also been upgraded for this year, largely because of China, but downgraded slightly for 2024. And Australia's prospects have been reduced for both this year and next, with a clip across the year for the budget deficit. Shares in New York jumped on the news out of the Fed. Oh, and India's biggest company, Adani Enterprises, fell another 28.5% today and cancelled a proposed share issue. So its crisis deepens. The local market rose a little with gains by CSL, Macquarie and Transurban and falls by miners and banks. And the drop in the US dollar produced pretty big gains by gold and silver. And that's finance. Thanks for watching. You can check out more finance news by clicking there. And don't forget to click subscribe down there to get all the latest updates from ABC News.